this section, while it's technically long in the sense that it's fairly complicated, the video here will be very short. That's because I wrote an article that's linked into the backing story here that talks in very detail about this whole idea of using AWS API Gateway. In a nutshell, essentially, the goal here in this section is to create an API that other third-party developers can use, and they get a API key to identify themselves, and then doing so, they can actually end up using our to-dos application, but by making API calls themselves, and then they get their own section, basically their own set of to-dos. And so at the very end of this article, you can see that the developer can get their to-dos by posting to a different endpoint with some extra API key, right? And then they can also then post to create new ones and delete. So that's kind of the end result. It's a fairly long article. And again, I'm not going to repeat the whole article because there's a lot of technical detail. It would probably require a lot of thinking. So that's it for the video. Read the article.